So today's question is really about how do I move objects around? How do I get them where I want them on the screen? So this is going to be critical to our next assignment that we're going to work on. So here's a simple motivating example. I have some code which draws a house. This is using old style OpenGL, but you've all been drawing things now. So I have some code that draws something, and it draws it in this location. But we wish we drew another one over here. So in our main, we've drawn house, and then we wish we drew this house someplace else. Am I going to define another function that says draw house to and give some new coordinates? Or is there some way I can transform this draw house to land in this location? This is what we're after. And modeling packages work this way, right? If I have some complex object I'm trying to model, I'm going to have a bunch of controls which say I can rotate, translate, move around a whole section, maybe a leg or some other kind of thing. I don't want to have to go redefine the location of all of those points. So let's consider just a cube. And indeed, in our assignment number 2 that's coming up, so you turned one in yesterday, you'll be turning another one in 2 weeks. So for assignment 2 that's coming up, we're going to have cubes, and we're going to make some kind of thing out of it. So let's say we're going to make a person. You're going to make some kind of animal. And we wish we could take our cubes and we could scale them maybe to make some different size and move them around and put them in different places in order to make this person. Really, this is a question of, for each vertex in our object, is there a function which takes this vertex and moves it to another place?